Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR Halacha. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Friday, the 18th day of February, and that's the 17th day of Adar Rishon. Today, well, it's not so much a halacha, but more like a beautiful Dvar Torah that I'm so happy to share with you. And it is about this upcoming parsha this week, which is Kisisa, and here goes. You know, in Kisisa, the Jewish people are told that everyone should give a machzis shekel, a half shekel, and it will all be given together. Poor and rich, everyone would give the same amount, and Hashem says that they would later melt that down and they would use it, and that silver would be used to make the sockets that were underneath the beams that were at the sides of the Mishkan. That silver, given equally by rich and poor, was underneath the beams, holding up the beams. So, and they were made out of silver, of the machzis shekel. Now, interestingly, the gold that was in the side beams, that was not given in the style of Ha'ashir lo yarbeh, the rich should not give a little more, and the dal lo yamit, and the poor person should not give less. It was not given in that style. It was given more in the style of Nadiv Lev, of everybody giving a donation as he pleased, rich people giving a lot, poor people giving a little. Generally, that was how the gold was collected for the plating of the beams that were around the Mishkan. Interestingly, the curtains that went over the top of the Mishkan, they draped over the side walls of the Mishkan and the back wall of the Mishkan, so that a lot of the gold that was given that plated those beams, that gold was actually covered. When you would look at the side of the Mishkan or the back of the Mishkan, you would see the curtains draping over all this donated gold. And the only thing showing were those silver sockets at the bottom. If you're smart, you can almost hear where this Dvar Torah is going. The donations that were given by the Jewish people in the style of rich giving as much as they want and poor giving a littler amount, such that the rich people could feel like, that's my gold. I donated most of that. Hashem says, cover that. We're going to look at some curtains. But to the outside view, we're not going to have this jockeying where I gave most of the gold that you're looking at there at the sides of the poles, the beams. Hashem says, no, that's going to be covered. The part, the shiny, beautiful part that was given equally in Achdus, with everyone feeling together, nobody having prowess, one Jew over another, that silver socketed part, that's the part that's going to show. That's the part that I want the world to see. That where the rich have more power over the poor, or people could feel like a little bit embarrassed, or those that give a lot can feel kind of haughty, Hashem says, that's going to be covered. The beautiful, beautiful donations that came equal, every man giving the same thing, Hashem says, that's the part that's going to shine. That's the part that everybody's going to see. What a beautiful, beautiful, interesting insight to our parsha. I hope you enjoy that. I hope you say that at your Shabbos tables. Have a great Shabbos and log on again after Shabbos for more. Bye-bye.